Hi guys, so as you guys already know, we are in hot summer now and we need all the refreshing and hydrating juices or smoothies to keep our body hydrated. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a very refreshing and delicious pineapple smoothie. So for this smoothie you will need 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 ginger root just about a medium size, a glass cup of milk, 2 fresh lemons, 2 ripe bananas, and of course our pineapple. And with me here I have 1 big pineapple. So I've already gone ahead to wash the back of the pineapple. I'm going to peel and cut the pineapple into smaller pieces so it could be easier for my blender to blend. And make sure you are using a really ripe pineapple, as it's going to add the natural sweetness to this smoothie. After adding the pineapple into the blender, we are going to peel the 2 bananas and add into the blender as well. And this banana is going to help to thicken up the smoothie. If you don't like banana, you can skip this step, but it helps to thicken up the smoothie. So I'm going to add the 2 lemons. I'm just gently squeezing in the lemon juice inside the blender, as it will help to enhance the flavor of this smoothie as well. Now I'm going to cut the ginger root into smaller pieces and add into my blender as well. The ginger is going to add a little bit of kick to this smoothie as well, just a little bit of spiciness. So if you don't like ginger, you can just leave it, but trust me, it is so good with the ginger added. Add the 2 tablespoons of honey, pour in your milk. You can use any milk of your choice, or you can leave the milk and add water. Now we are going to blend this for about 1 minute until it's nice, smooth and creamy. So finally we are going to serve this. You can serve it chilled or you can serve it just the way it is, but it tastes better when you just grab it out from your fridge. It is so refreshing, so delicious and so filling, honestly. So that is it for this video, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you give it a try, because I'm so very sure that you're going to love this smoothies. It is so good and so refreshing. Thank you guys so much for watching and God bless you.
If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.